Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's make a simple potato dish in the oven. I got inspired by a Lithuanian dish called Kugelis. I like that it has a few ingredients and all the cooking is done in the oven, which means I can do something else in the meanwhile. I have all the ingredients ready. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit and get a baking dish ready and oil it a bit. I have quite a big casserole dish, 34 by 23 centimeters, therefore the potato dish will be thinner. You can use any casserole dish you have and adjust the baking time. Now I will peel and wash all the potatoes, which is probably the most time-consuming task in preparation of this dish. And we need to grate the potatoes. It can be done either on the grater using the side with the finest smallest holes or a juicer, which I will use now as it will be faster. As my juicer is quite small, I will cut the potatoes in smaller pieces before putting all of them in the juicer. I have a lot of potato liquid in the pot. We need to use the starch from the potato in the dish. Therefore, I will put the pot aside for a little to allow the starch to settle on the bottom of the pot. In the meanwhile, I will take all the potato from the juicer and put it in a bigger bowl. We have some potato pieces here, but that's fine. They will blend in the dish. Now I will peel and cut the 2 onions in small cubes. I will save the onion skins for Easter egg coloring. We need to fry the onion and the bacon before adding it to the dish. So let's heat a frying pan on the stove, put a little bit of oil in the pan and put the bacon to fry. While the bacon is frying, let's add the potato starch to the potatoes. We can see the starch has settled on the bottom of the jar. I will pour the liquid in a bowl as I don't need that and leave only the starch in the jar. Okay, now I need to get the starch out of the jar and add it to the potatoes. It does not come out that easily as it is wet and dense. This is a lot of potato starch. I have it all in the bowl now. The bacon has gotten soft, so I will add the onion to it now, stir and let it fry a bit more till the onion gets somewhat transparent. I will also add a bit of black pepper and salt in the pan. Now it's time to add 200 milliliters of cooking cream in the bowl, the 3 eggs, and mix everything well. The bacon onion mix is ready now as well, so I can remove it from the stove and add the mixture in the bowl with the potato batter. Let's mix everything and put the batter in the prepared dish. Level. And put it in the oven to bake for approximately 50 minutes till the top of the dish is slightly brown and the sides are visibly cooked and look a bit crunchy. Remove the dish from the oven, let it cool for a few minutes and enjoy your dinner. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!